Hello, I am Judge Ron Cable of the Akron Municipal Court. All 6 judges at the Akron Municipal Court want to make sure the public has access to information, which is why we are recording this video series. Our courthouse is located in downtown Akron in Summit County, Ohio, and we are proud to serve our jurisdiction. Next up is journalist Sara Shookman, who is here to discuss how to use Zoom for your court hearing.
Hello, I'm Sara Shookman, and I'm here to tell you about how to use Zoom for your court hearing. While most of the hearings here at Akron Municipal Court take place in person, a judge or magistrate may decide to hold a hearing virtually by Zoom. Here's some basic information that you should know if your hearing has been scheduled to take place by Zoom. Before the hearing, if you're attending a Zoom hearing, you will need a Zoom account. To set up an account, you should access the website zoom.us. You can get a Zoom account for free, and you do not need to pay Zoom for any interaction with the court. To sign up, click the button labeled Sign Up. When you're signing up, you can set your name, phone number, and email for your Zoom account. You can modify or edit this information by logging on to your internet or web browser and going to zoom.us/profile. We also recommend that you download the Zoom application before your court hearing. Although Zoom can be used directly from a web browser, Zoom operates best for court hearings when Zoom is downloaded. To download Zoom, you can do so at zoom.us/download. From that website, click the download button and follow the instructions. By downloading Zoom before your hearing, you will be able to use all the features available in the Zoom app. On the day of your hearing, you should have already received from the court a notice or order that provides a meeting ID and passcode for your Zoom hearing. Hold on to this information as you will need it to attend your virtual hearing. Before the hearing is set to start, use your internet or web browser to go to zoom.us. Click the Join link. Then enter the meeting ID number provided from the Akron Municipal Court for your hearing. After entering the meeting ID number provided by the court, you will be prompted to enter a passcode. In the passcode prompt, enter the passcode provided by the court for your hearing. After you enter the passcode, click the Join Meeting button. If you join your hearing before the court starts the hearing, Zoom may ask if you are the host for the meeting. You should not select any option to host the meeting. Instead, you just want to select the option to join the meeting. After entering the passcode, Zoom will verify the meeting ID and passcode you entered, and you will be directed to a virtual waiting room. Please remain on this webpage and do not exit this web link. There may be a number of other cases set on the court's docket before your case. When the court is ready to hear your case, a judge or magistrate will let you into the virtual courtroom so your case can be heard. After your case is finished, you can click on the red button labeled End or Leave Meeting to exit the virtual courtroom. Other considerations to keep in mind. We encourage you to arrive early for your hearing by at least 5 or 10 minutes. By arriving early, you allow time to resolve any technical issues and also help to ensure that you are present for the start of your hearing. When you join the hearing, please mute your audio until your case is called. There may be several cases that are being addressed in the virtual courtroom around the same time. To mute your audio, you can click on the button on the lower left corner of the screen labeled Mute. Then, when your case is being heard, click the unmute button so that the jurist and other participants can hear you. If you are testifying during the hearing, the court may require you to display your video. If your video is disabled, there will be a red line through the image of the camera. Click the camera image that is labeled Start Video. Clicking the button will remove the red line and turn on your camera. If you click the camera image once again, your camera will turn off. We also ask you to remain stationary while appearing virtual by Zoom. Although you may be dialing in from your cell phone, it can be distracting to the court and other participants if you are actively moving around during your hearing. We hope this information is helpful and provides you with some basic guidance to get you ready for your Zoom hearing. Should you have any more specific questions about your Zoom hearing, please call Akron Municipal Court before your hearing.